Hello, my name is Soham, and today's video is our first video of a 7-part series on coding. Our goal is to help people who want to learn coding on their own, and today we're going to be assisting you with that. With today's video, I just would like to go ahead and ask you to subscribe and like today's video and share with your friends and family. Now with that, I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to be going ahead and installing Anaconda. Now briefly, I'm going to go ahead and choose the installer that's best for my laptop, and I'm going to wait for it to go ahead and install. The main reason we're choosing Anaconda is because it provides us with libraries that are pre-installed for us, so we don't need to go ahead and install these libraries manually. You can go ahead and also install Python on its own if you would like, but I recommend installing Anaconda, that way you don't need to install lots of libraries on your own if you're doing lots of data analysis or AI in general. I'm going to go ahead and open it now. Next, agree. I'm going to currently just do it for me. If you'd like, you can also do it for all users, that's your choice. Alright, cool with that. I don't recommend you go ahead and add it to your path environment variable. I recommend you do it yourself. It's easier and it usually works out much better. But go ahead and leave register Anaconda 3 as your default Python, unless you're going ahead and using a different version of Python, maybe a newer one that's being currently offered. It's going to take a bit of time typically to go ahead and install this. It depends on your laptop, of course. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward till it finishes. Alright, now it has finished installing, so let's go ahead and proceed and click next. Just as a note, I also do recommend, if you'd like to go ahead, you can install PyCharm. I'm going to be installing VS Code today because it's faster to install, takes up less space, and is much easier to get using. PyCharm is a bit more advanced and offers more features for people who are more experienced or want to go ahead and explore more options. It's also a great option. Alright, and we are finished with that. Now let's go ahead and move on and go ahead and install VS Code. But before that, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and check that our installation of Anaconda is going to be functioning properly. So let's go ahead and find Anaconda, open it up. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in Python to see what Python version. I have Python 3.76. Now I'm just going to go ahead and type in the simple hello world command. I recommend you also do this just to make sure everything is functioning. And we see we got hello world back, telling us that this is working properly. Perfect. Alright, so now let's go ahead and download Visual Studio Code. I'm going to download it for Windows. Alright, let it get installed. Alright, I'm going to open that up. Now, Visual Studio Code offers quite a few benefits other than just being a good editor overall. It's quite lightweight, allowing us to go ahead and do lots of things. Just quickly here, before we continue, I recommend you just allow it to add to your path and allow the default options. Alright, let's continue. But you can also use this Visual Studio Code for many other things, such as C and many other languages like HTML, and it also offers quite a few different options to go ahead and use, which is why I recommend using VS Code to get started with. This shouldn't take that long compared to Anaconda, but I'm going to go ahead and fast forward, or actually, fine. Alright, let's go ahead and finish. Let's go ahead and open it up, and let's just write a simple file. So I'm going to make a new file. Alright, one of the main things you need to know is go ahead and rename your file. So let's go ahead and save this file. Alright, I'm going to save it to my desktop, or actually my downloads folder, and I'm going to name it test.py, and I'm going to change the ending here quickly. Alright, now that we've got that, let's go ahead and just type in the basic one that we were talking about before. Hello world. Alright, and you can see this tiny play button over here. Click that. And it's going to go ahead and run it here for you in terminal. And you can see here, it went ahead. Hello world. Just want to quickly note that this exception is it may happen to you. Just don't worry about it for now, but the main thing is that it did go ahead and function. If you want to go ahead and just make sure You can go ahead and type in some other things here. Type in hi. Let's go ahead and test that out. And you can see it works. Awesome. So now that you've got it all installed and working, can't wait to see you in the next video, where we're going to go ahead and talk about basic data types and how they function, getting you started with basically how to go ahead and start coding using integers and all these different data types. Can't wait, and see you in the next video.